Cause I wanna rip it. Now that was sick! Can I get this one? Well, who put this nice little lovely road here?
Have you ever had a dream that you had?
When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun. When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun. When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun.
What's up, guys? Oh, it's beautiful today. We're going to meet up with Gavin. We're gonna go do stuff. I don't know what, but I gotta pee. Oh my gosh, I always gotta pee. Why is my body like this? I'm so excited.
You'll get lost up near my mom's new house. The roads are amazing.
I don't care.
No, her new house. Like,
Oh, okay. Where's it at? All right, let's get it. Do you know the roads?
No, that's what I'm saying. We can get lost. God damn.
Oh, shoot. We got gas? I got batteries. Let's go. Wait, which way do you want to go, though? Let's go up and just keep going. And then cut somewhere. Because I want to rip it. Wow!
Whoever's the owner of the white sedan, you left your lights on.
I gotta warm the tires up. Dude, Gavin's a nut. I just want to warm up my tires. He's out here balling out. To think a year ago, I'd be ripping wheelies next to him, but I don't do it everywhere now. It depends on the day. I'm like looking for cops. Because this is a heavily populated cop area, I guess you would say. Gavin's just a nut. You're a nut! Straight, let's go! You like that? Yeah! Can I get this one? Ah! Woo! Bring it back, bring it back! Okay, listen, we gotta talk about this. I peed twice before I got on my bike. Not once, but twice. Because I wanted to make sure I got everything out. Whoa, that's wild. That's wild. I like that energy. I like that energy. It's nothing. You want to go that way? Let's go that way. We weren't going to go that way, but he thinks we're not going to catch him. Now that was sick! That was dope!
Man, I wish I had my summer wheels on. I had no ripped. I think I might have ripped my lip off when I jumped that.
Your lip seems to, I think it's there. No, I think it's there. It's there, you're good.
Don't be safe.
You too, right? That was dope. Well, who put this nice little lovely road here? That got wild really quick. Okay, back to what I was saying. I peed not once, but twice before I left. Within like a 10-minute window. I thought I had everything out. No, it's still there. I still gotta pee. Like what? Where is it coming from? How do you have to pee so many damn times in one day? It's ridiculous. I don't even think I have a bladder. I think it just runs right through. Like maybe there's a gate, but on mine, it's just open. The freaking, it's flooded. Don't you make fun of me?
Got him! Got him!
Oh, you mother! You got me! Wow! Wow! I see how it is. I was not expecting that. I gotta pee. I gotta pee again. No, it's okay. I don't want to wait. I want to ride. What? To yeah. No, I'm telling them what I just did, which was change out my battery, and I have to pee again. Ready? Woo! Woo! Mad bladder! Oh crap! I need a banana! Oh shoot! That wasn't a good idea. It wasn't a good idea. All right, I'm standing up with my butt. I'm gonna stretch this way. I wish you guys could see me. I got my butt up in the air, and I'm still riding the bike. Oh, he's that way. So hard to ride like legally with him. I mean, it's not really. It's all up to my own doing, but he really does make me want to do some stuff where I shouldn't be doing stuff. So I usually just don't do the stuff, and I just watch him do the stuff. You know what I mean? Sick scooter, dude. That smells like barbecue. Oh, that's not. Wait, no, that's not it. Wait. No, that's not it. Wow! I saw a pothole. We got the same color. Let's go. Is that an elephant we're hiring? Are you hiring elephants? You. That's no fun. Ollie's Bargain Outlet. You think they got R1s there? Got him! Ah!
Faster to go up, come back.
What?
You think it'll be faster to go up, come back?
To go where? Oh, I see what he means. Oh. You skate, bro?
Parkour.
That was sick. I gotta pee now. Anytime now. Come on. Let's go. No, I'm waiting. Every time I have rode with Gavin, he has broken his zip ties because his whole front thing is all effed up. And then he ordered a piece and it was supposed to be here literally 3 months ago and it never got here. Oh, I thought I thought someone was screaming from behind me and it was really just my music. Sad dude. Sad dude. What up? Old lady didn't know how to take it. Come on, there's no one here.